Hi, I'm Sil, and this is Slow Easy English. In today's video, we are going to look at the difference between how to use ago and how to use before. So in English, these two words basically mean the same thing, but they're used a little differently. This can be a little bit tricky or a little bit difficult for some people learning English because in other languages or in some other languages, those two words don't exist. They only have one word. So because in English we have two different words, it can be a little bit confusing. So let's have a look at these two words and see how they are used differently in English. So it's pretty easy, actually, to just remember that ago, the word ago, is always used when you are talking about something that happened in the past before now. So your point of reference is right now as I am speaking. So let me give you an example of what that means. So today is July 9th as I shoot this video. I came to Vietnam on March 10th. So here I can say, I came to Vietnam 4 months ago. Because 4 months is, March 10th is 4 months before now. So here we use the word ago. Another example of ago is if today is July 9th and I went to the park to exercise on July 6th, then I can say that I exercised 3 days ago. The word before is used just slightly differently. So we will use the word before when we want to talk about something that happened before another time. Not now, but before another time. So let's look at how that works. Let's say I ate dinner at 7 p.m. and I took my medication at 6 p.m. Here I can say I took my medication 1 hour before dinner, because there's 1 hour between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Another example is, let's say I met Stephanie in August and we started dating in October. I can say we met 2 months before we started dating. And that's it. It's that simple. Just remember that ago is always used when you want to talk about something that happened before now. And before is used when you talk about something happening before something else. That's it. That's all there is to it. So I hope this video helped you understand the difference a little bit better. And if you liked it, please click like, subscribe, click the notification icon, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.